Hello bachcho, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the haloalkane and haloarene. This is the first video of haloalkane and haloarene. So you can subscribe the channel and go to the other videos on the channel. So what is haloalkane? Let's start with it basic. Okay. So I'll make the video for 15 minutes so you can understand very well, take your break, because it's hard to read for a long period of time nowadays for students. So what I will do, I'll make 15 minutes videos, just go through the topic, understand it, take your break, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever, then watch the other video. Okay. So haloalkanes, what do you understand by haloalkanes? You can write down with me. These are halogen derivatives. These are halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon and these are of following types depend on the depending upon number of hydrogen atoms present in them. Okay. So these are the halogen derivatives mainly, and it depends the hydrogen atoms present in them. Okay. So the type we are going to discuss is, the first one is monohalides. Monohalides, simply called RX. So the formula of monohalides are CnH2n plus 1x. CnH2n plus 1x. Okay. It is also known as alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. So if I'm primary monohalide, that is RCH2X. Okay. Then we have secondary monohalide. Secondary monohalide is your R2CHX, and the third one is tertiary one. बिल्कुल बेसिक से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं मैं, so you will able to understand what is that R2CH. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 2 हाइड्रोजन है. ओके. यहाँ पर एक हाइड्रोजन है इस कार्बन में, यहाँ पे 0 हाइड्रोजन है, इसे कहते हैं टर्शियरी. ओके. The second type of it is dihalides. Dihalides क्या होते हैं देखिए ध्यान से. Dihalides are your CnH2 and X2. CnH2 and X2. ओके. ये दो टाइप के होते हैं, जेम एंड विसिनल. जेम एंड विसिनल टाइप. ओके. जेम एंड विसिन. आइए डिस्कस करते हैं जेम क्या होता है. जेम बेसिकली एक ही कार्बन एटम पे अगर 2 हेलोजन एटम्स है अटैच, हेलोजन एटम्स आर डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल X, देन दिस इज कॉल्ड जेम हैलाइड. विसिनल क्या है. विसिनल में नियर बाय 2 कार्बन एटम्स पे एक X एटम्स प्रेजेंट है, जैसे Cl. तो इस तरह का होता है आपका विसिनल हैलाइड्स. ये विसिनल है और ये डाई है और जेम है, आप बना लीजिए इसको. अब नेक्स्ट इसमें हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. अल्फा, ओमेगा और टर्मिनल डाइहैलाइड्स, what are they? Okay. So what is that? Suppose I am writing here Br CH2. You can write down the example CH2 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 Br. Okay. So this is what, there are 2 present, and this could be written as अल्फा ओमेगा, अल्फा बीटा गामा ओमेगा. ठीक है. तो ये अल्फा बीटा हो गया. ये टर्मिनल हैलाइड्स बोल सकते हैं अल्फा बीटा गामा ओमेगा. तो ये अल्फा और ओमेगा पर है, या इसको टर्मिनल डायहाइड्स भी कहा जाता है। इसका नेम है डाइब्रोमो 1,4 डाइब्रोमो। ठीक है, तो मोनोहलाइड हो गया, डायहाइड हो गया। आइए थर्ड टाइप की बात करते हैं। द थर्ड टाइप इज योर ट्राइहैलाइड्स। ट्राइहैलाइड्स का फॉर्मूला CnH2n -1x3, CnH2n -1x3. The example is your haloform, right? This is called chloroform. So you can write down CHX3, where X is the halogen atom. The fourth one is your tetrahalides. That is your CX4 or CX2Y2. It could be two other atoms also present on it. So CX2Y2. This is called tetrahalogen derivative. What do you call it? Tetrahalogen derivative. है ना? The Cl, Br, okay, where B is representing Y, this is representing X, so it could be like that. आइए डिस्कस करते हैं मोनोहलाइड को डिटेल में। अब हम समझेंगे मोनोहलाइड का क्या। तो फर्स्ट डिस्कस करते हैं मोनोहलाइड्स। Monohalides, these are called haloalkanes. यहाँ पे ये आइसोमेरिज्म शो करते हैं आपके। The isomerisms are chain isomers, position and optical. पोजिशन है ऑप्टिकल आइसोमर्स। ठीक है, अब हम मेथड, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है इसमें प्रिपरेशन मेथड। सो आर वी गोइंग टू डिस्कस द प्रिपरेशन मेथड्स ऑफ मोनोहलाइड्स। ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट नंबर का जो प्रिपरेशन मेथड है, वेरी इजी, वेरी कॉमन, बाय डायरेक्ट हेलोजिनेशन ऑफ alkane. So you have read this already in alkane. How it is done? Rx, this is your alkane RH added with XX means X2. Okay, in the presence of H nu, it will substitute and it will form HX. The example would be, you can write down the example also. Suppose you have methane added with Cl2 minus HCl, it will give CH3Cl, one hydrogen replaced by Cl. Again Cl2 attack, in the presence of H nu it is done. So Cl2, यहाँ पे आपका फ्री हेलोजिनेशन होता है। ठीक है, फिर से Cl2 अगेन अटैक CHCl3 और लास्ट में Cl2 अगर अटैक CCl4, तो माइनस X। तो ये आपका पूरा इस तरह से ये रिएक्शन प्रोसीड होता है। यू कैन राइट डाउन। द नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन फॉर मोनोहलाइड्स बनाने के लिए हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? मोनोहलाइड्स, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द मोनोहलाइड्स, राइट? फ्रॉम अल्कोहल्स, द सेकंड मेथड इज फ्रॉम अल्कोहल्स। The second method is from alcohol, that is ROH. This is your alcohol ROH plus PCl3. So it will form RCl plus POCl3. Very, very important, this HCl. These two products are very important. You have to remember those. ROH plus PCl3 gives RCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. So this is your first method. From alcohol, the another method is 3 ROH means 3 moles added with PCl3, then it will form 3 RCl, yeah, but the product will change. The formation will be H3PO3. So if it is in excess, it will form H3PO3 acid. Okay, the third method in this is from alcohol ROH when SOCl2 is added to it, it will form RCl. Yeah, that's our product. And the SO2 gets released plus HCl. So you can go through the mechanism also. This is the reaction done. Right? Let's go with the reaction and the mechanism of this method. बहुत अच्छा mechanism है इसका. You have to go through mechanism. So what we have to do? We have ROH, your compound, right? And there is a lone pair on it. There is a PCl5 or PCl3, right? If we are talking PCl5, so in this case, this is PCl5 basically, PCl5. So it will form POCl3 and the PCl5. So first we'll go with PCl5, the reaction with PCl5. आइए डिस्कस करते हैं. Go through it. ये third का first one part is PCl5, the second one is PCl. So what we have to do? Mechanism. This is Cl, 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 right? And this will proceed with the SN2 reaction. How come? First negative Cl minus will go out. How come? This O has a lone pair which attack on the phosphorus. So this Cl minus will remove and it will break the bond. So the reaction will get up like that. It acts as a, nucleophile and it will donate the electron. The reaction will be proceed like that. Cl, 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 right? Now again, H plus will go, right? So this happen and it will form R, O, P, Cl, 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 Cl. Okay. Now this one of the Cl will attack on R and the reaction will be RCl plus PO Cl3. So this is the SN2 mechanism when PCl5 attack. You can write down. The second mechanism for PCl3 is like that. Your ROH, there is a lone pair in it, right? And it is attacked by PCl3, that is Cl, Cl, Cl. Okay. This follows the SN1 method. SN1, the Cl minus goes away. How come? This attack on this thing and Cl will go. It will form R, O positive, P, Cl, Cl. Okay. This is your H. What will happen here? This O, this hydrogen will go and form the bond with the P. So what will happen? This bond shift here and this hydrogen attack on P. So it will form R, O with lone pairs, P positive charge, because H plus is attached to it. Now what will happen in this case? The reaction proceed further. R, O will form the bond. This bond will form and double bond P, Cl, Cl, H, right? Now what will happen? The next step. Are you able to understand this? This is R. The next step will be, the next reaction will be your attack, right? So P double bond O, Cl, Cl, H, Cl plus RCl. So this bond will break and this R will goes and there is a Cl minus will attack with it. So it will form RCl. And you can write down further it will convert into ROH will attack on it and it will form B double bond O, OH, H,